I got a question and a comment on one of my ads yesterday, and it was somebody who said ads don't work, which I thought was interesting. He said ads don't work, only word of mouth, only referrals work. Ads don't work; they're a scam. And I thought it was interesting because I understand where he's coming from, because he says word of mouth works, referrals work, and he's like, I've been in business for 18 years and ads have never worked. They've always been a huge waste of money. So I kind of want to walk through some of the main reasons why ads don't work for some people and then they work well for other people. So number one, when you're running ads, you have to be intentional about who it is that you're trying to find or market to. I think that's one of the main issues people have, is they're not specific enough. They say, hey, if you're a business and you want video content, and they run an ad like that, and they're like, oh, it didn't work. I didn't get any leads, bro. Like, where did they come from? I didn't get any leads. And I look at it, I'm like, you're not specific, number one. Number two, you're selling video content, not the outcome. And number three, you probably ran it for 2 days and then decided it didn't work. So it's like, we have to be very specific with who it is that we target. So we say, hey, if you are a medical company, if you are a dentist, if you are a home service company, and you want us to come in and help you get more leads with video content, then click the link below. We're gonna walk you through our XYZ system that's gonna help you get exactly that. If I'm more specific like that, then I'm gonna get somebody who is way more specific. It's like the analogy I always use of like going into a crowded restaurant and you just say, hey, it's like people don't really look at you or like look around because it's not specific. It's like, hey. Whereas if you go into a crowded restaurant, you say, hey, Eric, then all the Erics, or if it's just me, I'm gonna stand up and be like, oh, who's calling me? Because you're being more specific in your messaging. And I think a lot of times people do not think about that when they advertise. That's one half of the battle, the messaging. And then the other half is actually having qualifications on your lead form. And so what are the main qualifications that you look for when you're trying to work with somebody? And I ask people that, and they have nothing to tell me. They don't know what to tell me. And that is a telltale sign telling me that they are not qualifying people hard enough, and they're not specific about who they actually want as a person coming into their funnel. And so we want to look through BANT, so budget, authority, need, timing, and think through what questions can we ask that properly identify the right person and only allows the right person to come through our funnel. And so there's just some of the main reasons why I think ads don't work for most people. And then you have to let it run for like at least 7 days to see if it's working. And then if it's not working, then it may not be a messaging issue. It might be the ad creative. It might be that your ad creative looks like everybody else's. And so there's multiple variables as to why something wouldn't work. And I think a lot of people don't take the time to really figure it out, and they just say, oh, it doesn't work. So hopefully it helps. I have plenty of videos on my YouTube channel walking through how to fix it and all these things and how to actually set up the ads if you want to go check that out. But hopefully this helps. See you in the next one.